everyone, welcome to my unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox the Canon 100mm f2.8 Macro IS USM. So let's get started. So inside the box there's a lot of stuff, and first of all some information cards. So there's a menu guide, there's a lens cover, and okay, just a second. So this is the lens, and there you go. This is the lens itself. So in this box you'll get the macro lens itself here, and you get a lens hood, you get a lens cover, and okay. So for this lens you can see there is the 67mm, and I have also got a B+W MRC Nano for the lens itself. So let's get this. Okay, done. So since there is no tripod ring attached to the lens itself, and I have purchased one from the external part. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like my video, and please check out my Instagram and Facebook page as listed in the description. Thank you, and see you next time.